Walt Disney World. We're back at Shades of Green. We are at the end of UR here at Shades of Green. We are trying to purchase our tickets for Blizzard Beach. I'm very excited about it because I haven't been in over 15 years. It's been more than 15 years since I've been to Blizzard Beach, and I've only been there one time. And the rest of my family has never been. So we're really excited. We got here, you have to sign in on a little kiosk, and it's told us that we had a 14-minute wait. It's been a little bit more than 14 minutes. We were able to go in the exchange and look around, and we bought some gummy bears and some mints. And so now we're just in a little room, we're just waiting. But I noticed over here on the wall, they have a TV screen of all the names of the people that are in line. And then they have some TVs playing cartoons. There's no sound, but we're just hanging out. Aren't we, Nadia?
Yeah.
Yeah. Eating gummies. Gummy bears. These are our tickets to go to Blizzard Beach. Yay! We're gonna ride all the water rides, aren't we? Every slide.
Yeah, I can't. I only can ride a family ride.
I know. Well, no, there's more than just the family rides that you can ride on, but there is a lot of rides that require you to be 48 inches tall, which she is not. So we're still gonna have fun. Yay! All right, so we are walking from Shades of Green right here on the pathway to the Polynesian, and there are some giant grasshoppers, y'all. I mean, look at that thing. I'm barely zooming in. That is, oh my goodness. Look at that. What? We see a deer. Still walking towards the Polynesian.
I want to call that deer Pinky. Piglet. Yeah, Piglet.
There it is.
No, Piglet.
We're walking over towards the Polynesian right now. It is fully open now, so we're excited to see the changes. Oh, the monorail just went by, but the Polynesian is open and they have their new Moana rooms. We're not gonna go into the actual rooms, but we're gonna see if anything else has changed inside of the Polynesian. By driving by, we can see that they are still doing construction work, especially around the area where it has the monorail that goes to the Polynesian Resort. So I don't think that section is open yet, but we're gonna go in and see some of the updates. Come join us today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are inside of the Polynesian. We came in from the back, so we'll go around. See the front of this guy. Look at that, it's so cute. Donuts. How much is it? These are adorable. I love it. It's like leather. Right? Ooh, cups. Nice. How much is it?
It is
$22.99. This cute fanny pack is $45. Then they have these mini book bags that are $80. Bacon covered strawberries. That's interesting. Toasted coconut. Seasonal cupcake. Oh, and the chocolate covered bacon. Oh, so they have different kinds. Dark chocolate, caramelized, seasonal. Oh, I think it's pineapples on top. Oh my goodness. And then dark chocolate. Oh, that's dark chocolate chili. And then they have some tuna rolls down here. The monorail is still closed here at the Polynesian. So there is a sign saying the different types of transportation you can use to get to the different places. So like if you're going to the Magic Kingdom, take it by watercraft or bus, and then all the other locations by bus. Here we are at the Polynesian. We're going to the monorail to the Magic Kingdom. Not actually getting in the Magic Kingdom because, like I have said before, we do not have passes. The plan for this evening, go to the Magic Kingdom front entry. We're gonna get on the monorail because we want to ride the monorail in the Epcot loop. Since it is now open, we have not done it since it's opened. So we're excited to at least get a little small peek of what Epcot looks like. Here we are, the Epcot Monorail. 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 Ooh, there's a construction going on down there for Guardians of the Galaxy. Mission space! Test track! Wow, that's a big line for test track. Food and wine. All right, so we are walking back. We just got off of the monorail and walked And we had to walk over from the ticket and transportation center to the Polynesian. So this is the Polynesian. And then way out there, you can see the castle right there in the center. There's already lots of people staked out to watch the fireworks. You can hear the music for the electric parade going on right now. I don't see them, but I can hear the music for it. Over here, this is the Grand Floridian, and the last time we were here, this walkway was closed, but it's open now. So we were just gonna walk down here a little ways. We're not gonna go all the way, but we just wanted to show you that it is open now. It just goes along this little beach area.
We are so excited that we have tickets to the Blizzard Beach, and we had so much fun running the monorail. And now it's your family time. Bye.
To the Polynesian. Just wanted to show you that it is open now. And just goes along this little